If the FBI has evidence, has uncovered evidence that alleges criminal conduct by the president, if illegal conduct is alleged or uncovered, how does the Congress or the American public ever get that evidence?
Exposing the hidden battles within the FBI and DOJ. Senator Hagerty demands answers on evidence against President Biden. In a tense Senate hearing, Senator Hagerty grilled the FBI and DOJ about their handling of evidence related to potential criminal conduct by President Biden. Hagerty's frustration was palpable as he questioned why the FBI isn't acting on this evidence. The senator slammed the DOJ's policy of not charging a sitting president and withholding crucial evidence from Congress.
Senator Grassley and Chairman Comer subpoenaed an FBI document containing an allegation regarding a pay-to-play scheme between then Vice President Biden and a foreign national, and your response was due just a little bit earlier today. So my question is, has the FBI complied with the subpoena for this document?
I believe we submitted a lengthy letter earlier today.
A letter, but not the document that was the subject of the subpoena request?
I can't speak to the specific document. We are committed to working collaboratively with both committees, but we also have to balance sources and methods and ongoing investigations, and we will continue to work through the accommodation process as has happened many times in the past.
Was there a plan to submit the document, or will it be never submitted, or has there been a conclusion?
I would refer to the letter, which is, I think, quite detailed and kind of goes through a fair amount of discussion about our proposed approach
to addressing the document. I do want to confirm, though, the document does exist, the FD 1023.
I really can't get into the specifics here. I will tell you that we understand completely the importance of congressional oversight. That's important to me. I also understand very much, as I think you do, the importance of us protecting sources and methods and ongoing investigations, and we're committed to try to work through the process.
I had a frustrating conversation last year with Attorney General Garland about something I'm still trying to understand here, and that's how the Biden administration can impartially investigate the Biden family. And so I want to come back to that with you, if I could, today, to get at it a little bit deeper. My first question is whether you or anybody else at the FBI has communicated with White House employees or with Attorney General Garland or with DOJ staff regarding investigations that pertain to President Biden or to any member of his family.
Well, I certainly have not communicated with the White House about any investigation on that subject. My instructions to our...
And would that also include Attorney General Garland and the DOJ staff?
Well, I don't know that I can get into any discussions I had with Attorney General Garland. I talk to him, probably every day, one way or another, about all sorts of investigations, so that one's a little trickier. But what I will tell you is, as you know, I'm an FBI director appointed by the previous president, and our agents in our Baltimore field office are working with a U.S. attorney from the previous administration, that is the U.S. attorney in Delaware, on, I think, the investigation you're referring to. And my expectations of our agents on every investigation, which I communicate like a broken record, are that we are to follow the facts wherever they lead, to whomever they lead, no matter who likes it, no matter who it makes happy or unhappy.
So would that Delaware U.S. attorney be the person then responsible for deciding about evidence of unlawful conduct by the president and about what to do with that evidence?
Well, again, I don't want to engage in hypotheticals, but the Delaware U.S. attorney is leading, I think, the investigation that has been publicly disclosed that you're, I think, referring to.
Let me just come back to what I'm trying to understand then. If the FBI has uncovered evidence that alleges criminal conduct by the president.
Just tell them what. I'm sorry.
Sorry. And you then, I presume, hand this to the DOJ if you uncover this. But I understand the DOJ's policy is they're not going to charge a sitting president while that person is president. And the DOJ is not going to provide that information to Congress, not going to comply with subpoenas for documents. It feels to me like it's a dog chasing its tail. And the question is, if illegal conduct is alleged or uncovered, how does the Congress or the American public ever get that evidence?
Well, the decisions made by DOJ about how to staff prosecutions, which U.S. attorney's offices, which counsel to appoint, all those sorts of things are entrusted by regulation to the department, to the Attorney General. I can speak to what the FBI's role is and my expectations of FBI agents, and those are the ones I've communicated.
But to be clear, if evidence were uncovered by the
This controversial exchange has sparked a nationwide debate on transparency and accountability. Many are asking, is the FBI protecting the president? Or is there more to this complex legal puzzle? As political enthusiasts, it's crucial we stay informed about these developments. Hagerty's fiery interrogation sheds light on the pressing issues of governance and justice. If you found this breakdown insightful, don't forget to smash that like button, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more deep dives into hot-button topics like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.